Hi. Today I'm going to explain social network application which I've developed. And as you can see, I've already created a virtual environment and I'm in the virtual environment now by running this command. Now I'll go to the website folder, the project folder, which is social network site. So now, if I go inside this, I find the requirement text file. So let me first install all the modules of requirement text file within this virtual environment. So for that, I will do install -r and then requirement.txt. This will install all the modules in this environment and application will be ready for running. Now, let me explain the ER diagram of various data models which are used. So for profile, I've used app user, and it is inheriting from user, which is a built-in model, and uh, it has, in addition to that, it has first name, last name, mobile, and profile image, which is the image field, and the images are uploaded in media assets and now another one is friend request. So friend request is basically from user. User can send a friend request. The two user will receive the friend request and accept it. Post is basically the either image and image plus some details post the user can do. And room is the chat room. I have used private chat room with two users, user A and user B, and room name is the primary key here. So that you can find in model file. So all these, model files, model classes are there. So as you can see, the image is uploaded into assets. And now, and you can, all the database which I've used as the default data is SQLite. You can see there are some data already created. So these data are already created. And next, I will run the tests. So all my tests are in test.py file. Now I have created tests for the serializers and helper, which is here. Helper as helper methods and serializer used for APIs for serialization and the API, which is user list API and most of the view handler methods. So all the view handlers are here in the views.py. I've tested this, and each class corresponds to one view handler method. So I will now run the test. Uh, we just run test now. So for that, I will run Python manage my tests. So this will, you know, run all the tests. So total 55 tests are run and all are okay. So now I will, run the application. So for that, I will say run server. So if I do run server, then default port 8000 is open on localhost. I can go to this site and then let me first register a user. So let me register a user called Simon. I have already so and I give Simon at the rate 123 and Simon K. Well, this is my status. So I registered and I can log in with Simon and Simon at the rate 123. So now a default image is provided because during registration there is no image upload. I can edit and choose an image to upload. I can update status mobile, but this first name, last name is read only. So let me choose some image. Let's me choose this for Simon. And so this image is updated. Simon can add some post called test post test data, test post, and some image, maybe let's say this. So, and Simon can also delete the image. Okay, so the image is deleted. It asks for confirmation, and this is where Simon gets a message. And if you refresh it, another message comes. So now let's go to uh, another user, which is Rachel. So Rachel has good amount of data to view. So Rachel username is Rachel and password Rachel at the rate 123. Now all these Rachel has this profile image, and if Rachel wants to update status, then she can say I'm feeling good, and today is great. I'm feeling good. Uh, wow, something. So and instantly it is updated. I'm feeling great, I would say. So yes, so this status is updated, and Rachel can view their friends profile, and Rachel can search uh, you know some other users. Let's say Rachel wants to search Simon, so Rachel can search Simon and send a friend request. Now, friend request is sent to Simon, and Rachel already has these friends. Now, I will log into Simon and accept that. So, Simon will see the friend request from Rachel, and Simon will accept. And so now Rachel has become friend, and if I go to Rachel, and Simon is also friend of Rachel. Now, okay. In order to run the chat functionality, I have to run the Redis server. I'm running Redis server service as a Docker container. So, so now the Redis is started. Now I can start a chat with Simon. So let me click on chat. So first time if you open a chat, it will ask for a room. So let me call it Rachel RJSM chat new. So uh, chat window is created. Now I will also go to uh, uh, Simon's login to start a chat with Rachel. So I will log in as Simon, Simon at the rate 123, and I go to, so the same RJSM chat news open and uses Simon. Rachel will say, Hi Simon, and Simon receives, say, Hi Rachel. Uh, then Rachel will say, How are you? Say, I'm good. Thank you. So this way they can have a chat. Simon and Rachel can have a chat. If let's say uh, uh, already a room is created, then they can directly go to, let's say Sally. For Sally, the lobby is already created. So I will log in with Sally's username and passwords, which is Sally and Sally at the rate 123. And now Sally can directly go to lobby with Rachel, and Rachel will say, Hi Sally. And Sally will say, Hello Rachel. This way they can chat. Thank you.